Hi everyone, I'd like to ask you please like and subscribe to get more content. Alright, today we're going to work on converting to mixed numbers. Converting to mixed numbers from improper fractions. Okay. Well, first, we're going to figure out what an improper fraction is. So, improper fractions. Okay. So, an improper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator that is larger than its denominator. Basically, when the top is bigger than the bottom. So let me grab an example of what that looks like. 9 over 5. That is an improper fraction because 9 is bigger than 5. Most of the time, these are allowed, but in some cases, they do not like improper fractions. They want what's called a mixed number. So a mixed number is just like it states, it is the mixture of whole numbers and fractions. So this 9 over 5 can be converted to a mixed number. So 9 is 4 more than 5, right? So goes in once, and then there is 4 more left over. So 9 over 5 is the same as 1 and 4/5. You see this most of the time in baking or cooking recipes. They'll be like 1¼ cup of sugar or butter. Those are when mixed numbers are mostly used in recipes. Most time in math, however, an improper fraction is perfectly okay. They're actually preferred in some cases because they're easy to read and easy to work with. So let's get another example to convert from improper to mixed number. Okay. So another improper we can look at would be 6 over 4. Okay, so 6 over 4. Well, 4 goes into 6 once, and there are 2 left over, so that's 2 over 4. However, the 2 over 4 can be reduced. So this can actually go one step further and go 1 1/2. Because 2 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. Those are equivalent fractions. Okay. So let's grab one more just to be safe, to make sure we know what's going on. We can also go the reverse direction to go from mixed number to improper. So let's focus on that one. Let's go mixed number to improper. So insert equation. Let's say I have a mixed number of 2 and 4/5. There we go. Alright. To do this, we're going to take the denominator, multiply it by the 2, and then add the 4. So this is going to be 5 times 2 plus 4 divided by 5, which would give us 14 over 5. Okay, so let's make sure that works. So we know 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 to 14 is 4 more spaces. So yeah, there would be 4 left over, so it's 2 4/5. Okay. Well, I hope that was informative. I know this was a short video. But again, please like and subscribe if you like more content. Also, please leave a comment below if there's something specific you'd like to see, because I'd be more than happy to do a video on that. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.